What's up guys, welcome to Puck Camper. This is Jonathan. Today's video is going to be quite short. I'm just going to be talking about the true cost of the energy consumption of this car so far. I've had it for about a month and a half now, and just going to go over how it should be calculated, kind of answering just this very common question that's been asked to me. I literally got like stopped in the middle of the street being asked from someone like, hey yo, you know, how much does it actually cost to charge this car? And my answers always varies because honestly, before I really look into the numbers, it's done by a lot of estimation. So today I'm gonna look at the bill, my electrical bill, and then look at the stats from this car and go through the calculation with you. Before I go into the actual calculation, you need to understand how the batteries are measured, I guess. So this car, Model Y, long range Model Y, has 75 kilowatt hour as the size of the battery, which means that if I charge my car at 1 kilowatt hour per hour, it needs to take 75 hours to get up to 0 to 100%. This is kind of what I'm doing. I'm literally plugging into the common 120 volts, I think, outlet outside of my house, and I just charge it every night. It would, if I have 0% and I wanted to charge it to 100%, it would take 75 hours. Obviously not the most efficient way, but for now I'm gonna keep it that way. I don't have I think it's called NEMA 1450. I don't have that installed yet, and which I think I will do that in the summertime, just not now. I'll put out a video now that shows that as of now I've driven 533 kilowatt hour in total in this car. That would be how much energy I would have needed so far. 533 kilowatt hours. Now I'll post a picture of my electrical bill right here with you know, whatever information censored, and you can see on the bill that per kilowatt hour it will be $0.0639 per kilowatt hour. However, you also see a bunch of administration fees and like transportation fee and like a bunch of random stuff. So before, I've been doing my calculation based on how much it would cost to charge per kilowatt hour. Yeah, you guys all know Michael by now, I think. He's like, you need to look at the total cost of the whole thing because there's more than just the consumption cost. So I did that. So what I've done is I take the total cost of the bill, the monthly bill, divided by how much I used this month. And so you'll see that per kilowatt hour, the total charge is about 0.207, which is about 21 cents per kilowatt hour. So 20.7 cents per kilowatt hour multiplied by the total consumption, which is 533 kilowatt hours, and that came to a total of $110.38. Okay, that is how much this car's cost in terms of, you know, charging so far. Oh, look at that, wild horses. So just to kind of compare how much it would cost with my old Subaru Forester, that car takes about 10 liters to run 100 kilometers. And since I've driven about 3,000 kilometers here, I would have needed 300 liters of gas. Right now in Airdrie, it's about $1.27 per liter of gas. They multiply that, let me see if I can do my quick math. 1.27 times 300, that will be $381. Okay, so which is about like 3 times, a little bit more than 3 times than how much it will cost to charge this car. So it does save quite a bit of money, especially if you drive a lot on a daily basis. Now you might be saying, if I drive a lot, I need to go to like a supercharger and all of that, which I agree, but supercharger is way faster than charging at home. Okay, and you can always like, so what I do, if we go on a trip, I will like use that time to go to the washroom to grab a snack, you know, Tim Hortons, McDonald's, whatever, and then by the time I'm done, the car is ready for me. If you drive a lot every day, a Tesla is actually gonna save you a lot of money right? Like I've only driven 3,000 kilometers in a month and a half. And if you're like a, I don't know, whoa, there's like wild cows here now. This is insane. What's happening here? But yeah, if you are a, I don't even know, delivery guy or whatever, that you drive a lot, or you're just like far away from home, your work is far away from home, this type of cars will definitely help you to save money in the long run. So I really hope this video helped you understand the cost of charging this car and, like, you know, whatever. Another good thing that maybe some of you don't know is that when I go home, I just plug in my car. Although it charges slowly, but I don't drive that much every day. So literally go home, plug it in, next morning I'll have it ready for me. Anyway, I hope this video today helped you answer some questions you may have. And if you still have some questions that you are like, okay, I'm not sure, blah, 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 leave your comment down below. I'll answer it right away, most of the time. And if you like it, like and subscribe, as always. Anyway, peace out. Later.